When the sages turned their attention inward to explore the very nature of our human embodiment, they discovered something, whether they were in India, in China, in Japan, whether they were in what is now called Australia, or whether they were in Siberia, in the North America, South America. All of these lands had different names at that time, but when they turned their attention inward, all of these mystics and sages discovered that our human embodiment transcends and includes our physical body and our physical brain. These are part of our embodiment, but not the complete expression, the complete reality of our embodiment. In simple terms, they discovered that we inhabit 3 bodies, that our body has this triple dimension to it. It's really a continuum. It's not 3 separate things. It's a continuum of embodied experience. We could say that begins, obviously, with our physical body, but it expands and transcends and continues with a subtle energy body that pervades and, in fact, governs the well-being of the physical form. And beyond the subtle body is a universal body of light and presence. That is what connects us to the unformed, unconditioned divine. That is truly at the very ground, at the very height of all that is. So what do we do with this understanding? One thing we can do is to begin to cultivate our awareness of the subtle and universal dimensions of our embodiment. Because we're given by nature an awareness of our physical embodiment, our physical self, and our experience of physical objects. But the deep potential of your and of my human incarnation, of our human embodiment, it is much more profound. It does transcend and include the physical. But we're not just here to eat and drink and sleep. We're not just here for physical experience. We're here for awakening. Awakening means that we must activate our subtle energy body and reawaken to our universal presence so that those divine energies can flow. How do they flow? Through the subtle channels, through the chakras of the subtle body, into our embodied life in our current situation. When that happens, when we do this work, when we purify, balance, and open the chakras wisely, then the holy presence flows in and is expressed outward. And magically and beautifully, we receive that sacred energy from all that is. And our life then becomes a dialogue, a dance with the divine presence.